Hello everyone. Our lesson for today is about commission, another application of PRB. Let's start with a short story of the day. Mr. Mendoza sells a house and lot worth 500,000 pesos and receives a commission of 5%. How much is his commission? In this problem, we are asked to find for the commission. So before we answer this problem, let us first define our key concepts. First, what is a commission? A commission pertains to the sum of money received for the services rendered by a person who sells or buys goods on behalf of another person. The amount of commission is based on a certain percent taken from the value of the goods sold or purchased. A commission is a percentage. So for us to compute for commission, we will multiply the base and the rate. Since we are talking about percentage, our base will be the total sales and the rate will be the rate of commission. So commission is equal to total sales times rate of commission. Now we also have the so-called net proceed. Net proceed is the amount that is left after the commission is deducted from the total sales. So for us to find for the net proceed, we just simply have to subtract the total sales and the commission. Now let's go back to our story problem. Again, we are asked to find for the commission. Given that the rate of commission is 5% and the total sales is 500,000 pesos. So that means we have this one. So our whole is equal to 100%, and that is the price of the house and lot, which is 500,000 pesos. So if 5% is for the commission, which will be received by the agent, the remaining 95% is what we call as the net proceeds, which will be received by the owner. Now, for us to solve the problem, again, we will have to multiply the total sales and the rate of commission to find for commission. So our equation will be 500,000 times 5% equals n. Now let us solve. So we'll have 500,000 times 0.05. Remember, to change 5% or percent into decimal, we will just have to move the decimal point of 5 2 times to the left. So let's remove first the percent symbol. The decimal point of 5 is here. Moving it 2 times to the left will give us 0.05. So you'll multiply 500,000 times 0.05. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. So we have here 5 zeros. So let's just copy those. Then 5 times 5 is 25. Since the next digits in our multiplier are zeros, there's no need for us to multiply it anymore to 500,000 because that will just give us 0. So let's stop multiplying here and count the number of decimal places in our factors. We have 1, 2 decimal places. So in our final answer, we should also have 2 decimal places in our product. Therefore, Mr. Mendoza's commission is 25,000 pesos. Now let's try some more examples. A total sale of 230,000 pesos has a 12% rate of commission. How much is the commission? So again, in this problem, we are asked to find for the commission. Since we have the total sale and the rate of commission, we just simply have to multiply those two to get the commission. So for our equation, we'll have 230,000 times 12%. So let's solve. We have 230,000 times 12% is equal to 0.12 in decimals. 2 times zeros will just give us 0. So we have 4 zeros here. Let's just copy those 4 zeros. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 230,000 will give us 230,000. So let's just copy 230,000. Okay. Here. Then let's add 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 7, and 2. We have 2 decimal places in our factors, so we should also have 2 decimal places in our final answer. Therefore, the commission is worth 27,600 pesos. Let's try another problem. Mr. Francisco, a sales agent, delivers 100 reams of bond paper worth 13,500 pesos. How much will he receive if he has 20% commission? So we are asked to find for how much will Mr. Francisco receive. So that means we're looking for the commission because he's the sales agent who sold 120 reams of bond paper. Then we have the given 20% is his commission and his total sales is 13,500 pesos. 13,500 pesos is the cost of all the 100 reams. Okay, so this will be our total sales. In finding for the commission, all we need is the total sales and the rate of commission. So that means we will not be using the 100 reams. So for our equation, we will have 13,500 times 20% equals n. Now let us solve. 13,500 times 20% is equal to 0.2 in decimals. 2 times 0, 0, 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, that's 7. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, since this is 0, there's no need for us to multiply it anymore. In our factors, we only have one decimal place, so in our answer, we should also have one decimal place. Therefore, Mr. Francisco will receive 2,700 pesos as his commission. Next example. A salesman receives a commission of 7.5% for any sale that he makes. What will his commission be if he sold the car for 560,000 pesos? How much is the net proceeds? So for this problem, we are asked to find for the commission and the net proceeds. So let us solve first for the commission. So for our first equation, we will have total sales times the rate of commission will give us the commission. So we'll have 560,000 times 7.5%. Let us solve. 560,000 times 7.5% in decimals. We have here, okay, 7.5%. We'll remove the percent symbol. Since the decimal point of 7.5 is here, we'll start moving here. We'll move 2 times to the left. So that will be equal to 0.075. Okay, so we'll multiply this by 0.075. We have 5 times zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3, that's 28. 7 times zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 4, that's 39. Then we add, we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. 9 plus 2 plus 1 is 12. Then we have 1 plus 3 is 4. We have 3 decimal places in one of our factors. So in our product, we should also have 3 decimal places. That means the salesman will receive a commission worth 42,000 pesos. Now, our next question is to find for the net proceeds. Since we already know how much the commission is, we can just simply subtract the commission from the total sales to find for the net proceeds. So for our equation, we'll have 560,000 minus 42,000. Let's solve. 560,000 is again the total sales minus the commission, which is 42,000. That will give us 0 minus 2. We cannot subtract 2 from 0. So that means we need to regroup 6. 6 will become 5 and 0 will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. Then 5 minus 0 is 5. Therefore, the net proceeds is 518,000 pesos. Last example. Kian receives 6% commission on each new TV set he sells. Last week, he sold a TV set at 24,999 pesos. How much is the net proceeds? This time, we are asked to look for the net proceeds. Remember that net proceeds is total sales minus commission. But if we visualize it, say we have here a whole. The whole is equal to 100%. In this case, since the total sales or the amount of the TV set is 24,000 pesos or 24,999 pesos, that will be our 100%. Then it is given that 6% is for the commission. Remember that once we subtract the commission from the total sales, we'll get the net proceeds. So if 6% is for the commission, that means the remaining 94% is for the net proceeds. So instead of getting the commission and subtracting it from the total sales to find for the net proceeds, we can just simply use the equation 24,999 times 94% equals N. Okay, so let us solve. We'll have 24,999 times 0.94. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 times 4 times 9 is another 36 plus 3, that's 39. 4 times 9 is 36 plus 3, again that's 39. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3, that's 19. 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1, that's 9. 9 times 1 is 81. 9 times 9 is 81 plus 8 is 89. 9 times 1 is 81 plus 8, it's 89. 9 times 4 is 36 plus 8, that's 44. 9 times 2 is 18 plus 4, that's 22. So we'll have 6, 10, 19, 19, 14, 3, and 2. In our factors, we have 2 decimal places. So in our final answer, we should also have 2 decimal places. So that means the net proceeds is 23,499 pesos and 6 centavos. You may also use the other formula if you wish to find for the commission first. Say we have 24,999. This is solution number 2. You may multiply it by 0.06. So that will be 6 times 9 is 54. 54 plus 5, 59. 54 plus 5 is another 59. 24 plus 5 is 29. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2, that's 14. We have 2 decimal places here. So that means the commission is 14,000 or 1,499 pesos and 94 centavos. Then you can subtract it to 24,999 to find for the rate or the net proceeds. That will be, okay, so we have 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, 18 minus 9 is 9, then 18 minus 9 is another 9, then 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, then 2 minus 0 is 2. So we'll just get the same answer. And that's it for our lesson for today. Thank you for listening.